Oh wait, guys. Some struggles. Please help. Okay. Hello, guys. It's me, Bobby. My first video ever. Sadly, I'm all alone. Sadly, none of my friends wants to play with me on my first video. So sad. People, let's just get into this mess. I don't know what to play. Let's play Hypixel Says. Here we go. Ooh, fancy, fancy. What if I do 3 rounds? Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Oh, yes, I did it. I did it. I did it, guys. I did it. By the way, comment and the next what should I do in my next video? Comment down below, please, because I have no idea. Uh, Stone sword. I did it. I got. Don't get killed by the zombies. I'll try not to. Trying not to get killed by the zombies. Oh, dear God. Oh, it's hard, guys. I did it! I did it! Uh, I'm fine. I didn't know what to do. Give Grandma a flower. I'll gladly do it. Here we go. Let me... Yay, I did it. Don't get killed by the TNT. I won't. Oh, never mind. I will. Remove poison. Okay. Delicious. Oh, yay. Yay, 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 yay. All sheeps are mine. No share for you. Okay. Come on, Piggy. Go, Piggy, go. Oh! Oh no! Slappity slap, slap, slap. Slappity slap. Okay. Portion of what? Drink the potion. Poison. I don't know. I did not know. Don't blame me for this, guys. Don't blame me for being a noob. Okay. Look at your cobble. Cobble. No, I failed. Game over. So we're going to play next game because I don't want to play this. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not good at games, especially not that one. Let's see another one. Let's try to paint something. This may take some time. You sing there in the background, please. I'm sorry for my mom. She wants to sing. I'm suffering. Okay, I got disconnected. What a good timing. What a good life. What is life? Can somebody tell me? We're going to play Murder on Skytonia instead. Skytonia.com with no E. So 11 people are playing this. Let's see. 4 people are playing Murder. Hi people! How are you today? Oh, what did I walk into? Oh god, they don't know I'm filming. They don't know anything. Okay, okay. What is going on in this game? Um, okay, so this is a weird first video. Can someone can s- what is going on? Well, well, I don't. Can't get me up here. Why? Please, please. Dear God. Okay, I tried to get off, but no. Keep her up. Frisk, go. See, still can't double jump to get up here. Well, I swear to God, if my mom don't shut up soon, I'm going to the corner. Oh. Oh, this is so funny. Sans, I will kill you. Okay, I'm not doing it. My sister, my voice hurts. Wow. If no one joins this, I'm going to have to end this video. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's just focus and hope for the best that someone else will join. Oh, well, um, uh, so I will bust your skull. I might take a while to get back, though. It's fine. Okay, guys. This is a weird first video, especially for me. Why pointing that gun at me? Oh wait, never mind. That's not a person. Okay. Okay, so there's 4 people here now. I'll definitely not get into the game before video ends. Oh my god, my mom is singing. Please someone kill me. Ugh, God. Oh God. Dear God, please someone kill me. Oh no. Uh-oh. Where did you go, Sans? Okay, there is... What? How the... Oh, there must be invisible what? As I fall into the void and everything is dark, I'm not spawning back up. Well... Oh, God. Yep, this is kind of weird. This is what... Someone got stuck in the void? What? How did they do that? Okay, so I think he's fake. Yep, he's fake. Okay. Okay, I don't know. We're not going to play a game. I'm sorry, guys. Apparently, I thought we would play a game before, but no. It won't let me. Well, I'm gonna check my phone. Or no. I don't know. Should I? No, I should not. I should not leave it alone in this darkness. Or in the light. Okay, I'm bored. What's going on? Chupat. No, it's kidding. It's kidding. Okay, so I don't know what to do. Do I? It's just them in the game. That's kind of boring. This is kind of boring, guys. I'm sorry, but there's no murder today. I thought we were going to play murder today, but no, not at all. Not at all. I'm pretty sad. Nope, definitely not 6 players. Just ignore the background, please. Well. Okay, so... Guys, I think I'm gonna end this video, so comment down below what you think I should play next. If you like this great video that we literally did nothing on. Nej. Men låt mig vara, jag är trött. Jag gör en sak. Jag gör en sak. Men låt mig göra en sak. Jaha, du har förstört.